Look at the state of this book. Seriously. Dog-eared and eaten. That's because it is well loved and well travelled. I actually bought this edition in Bali because what else do you do in Bali except lie in a sunbed and read about emotional intelligence by Daniel Goleman? So emotional intelligence is that understanding of your own moods, emotions and motives, and the moods, emotions and motives of the people around you. And Daniel was probably one of the first people to bring to the fore the fact that it is not your IQ but your EQ that will get you far in your career. And so he has written lots. This is probably the book by Travis Bradbury, which I couldn't find my copy of. Travis Bradbury wrote Emotional Intelligence 2.0, which I used to jokingly say was available at all good airports. But it's available everywhere. Travis Bradbury or Daniel Goleman. Whatever you have, you need to have something on your bookshelf around emotional intelligence.